Hello my dear student, welcome to English class. Today we are going to start punctuation mark and capital letters. So at first we will understand the meaning of punctuation. So punctuation means the correct use of various signs or various marks in order to know the meaning of a sentence. So definition is written over here. Now these are the following important punctuation marks like full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, comma, apostrophe, inverted comma, semicolon and colon. So whenever we write sentence, we need to use mark or sign among these. So it is very important to know in which condition we are authorized to use, in which condition, in which kind of sentence we need to use full stop, in which kind of sentence we need to use or put mark of exclamation or question mark. So one by one we will understand. The first one is full stop. So full stop is used to make the end of the statement or any command. For example, if I say I need a book, stop talking. Here it is what statement? I need a book. Stop talking. It is a command. Stop talking. So at the end we have to use here full stop. Now second one is question mark. So question mark is used in place of full stop after a question, as the name suggests. So see the example. Do you write a letter? Here we are asking a question, and that is why at the end I have used here question mark. Second example I have taken, where do you live? It is also one of the example of interrogative sentence. Here also we are asking a question, that is why at the end in place of full stop I have used here question mark. Now come to the another one, exclamation mark. So exclamation mark is used at the end of an exclamation, such as feeling of joy, sorrow, etc. That means a sentence which represents feeling of joy or sorrow. In that condition, we use exclamation mark. For example, oh, what a beautiful rainbow. Another example also you can see here. Wow, our team has won the match. So here I have used exclamation mark. Next one is comma. So comma is used to separate a noun or group of words. Please improve here. By mistake one letter is missing, so you can write here GROUP, group. Okay, and also you can understand here comma is used to take a small pause. For example, our heroes can sing, dance, ride, swim and fight. So everywhere I have used comma in order to show a small pause. जब हमें थोड़ा सा रुकना होता है तो हम लोग कॉमा का यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है, लेट मी scroll the page. Another example of comma you can see here, Neha, comma, please give me a glass of water. You have to use here what? Comma. Now next one is apostrophe. So apostrophe is used to show possession or to write short form. एपिस्ट्रॉफी का यूज़ कब होता है? पोजीशन को शो करने के लिए और शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी लिव इन गर्ल्स हॉस्टल. वेयर डू वी लिव? So in girls hostel, so girls is representing here what? Possession. You can say also here, you can see in another example position also, Gita's frock is very pretty. So Gita's frock, the frock belong to Gita, is very pretty. That is why after Gita I have used here apostrophe. Okay, and as you know that apostrophe is also used to write short form. For example, do not. शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखने के लिए भी एपिस्ट्रॉफी का यूज़ किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डू नॉट आई हैव रिटन हियर, इट कैन बी ऑल्सो written as don't. Is not is written. This is the first way, but by using apostrophe, we can write it what isn't. Cannot is written over here. In short, by using apostrophe का यूज़ करके हम लोग इसे शॉर्ट में लिख सकते हैं CAN, then we will use apostrophe and T, that will become what? Can't. Now come to the inverted comma. So inverted comma is basically used to enclose the exact word spoken by a person. किसी भी वक्ता की कही गई बात को, एग्जैक्ट वर्ड को लिखने के लिए हम लोग इन्वर्टेड कॉमा का यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, निकिता सेड I have passed my examination. Here I have used inverted commas. Okay. Next one, the doctor said, never smoke in future. It is also written in inverted comma. Okay, under inverted comma. Now, next one is semicolon. So, semicolon is used to represent a longer pause than comma. सेमीकोलन का भी यूज़ हम लोग एक पॉज लेने के लिए करते हैं, बट इट इज़ लॉन्गर पॉज दैन दी कॉमा. टू टेक अ लिटिल लॉन्ग पॉज वी यूज़ सेमीकोलन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सेमीकोलन, आवर टीचर वॉज अ काइंड हार्टेड लेडी and we all respected her. So here, after lady, I have taken a little longer pause, and that is why I have used here semicolon. सेमीकॉलम में हमने क्या किया है, यहाँ पे एक थोड़ा ज़्यादा पॉज लिया है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा रुकी हूँ मैं, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे सेमीकॉलन का यूज़ किया है. नाउ कम टू द कॉलन. A colon is used to represent a more complete pause than semicolon. Okay? Or colon is also used to introduce a quotation. For example, Shakespeare says, what a piece of work is man. Now, this was all about the important punctuation marks. Now come to the another topic which I have included in this only. So capital letters. We will understand about the capital letters. When do we need to write capital letter? So we use capital letters in the following condition. Like to write the first word of the sentence, we always write the first letter capital. Okay. To write the first word of the sentence, whenever we write any sentence, the first letter of the first letter should be always written in capital letter. For example, the sentence is given here, the train had just arrived. So the T is capital letter. Now, next one is to write the proper noun and adjective formed from them. We write also capital letter before writing the proper noun. For example, India. India is example of what? Proper noun. And adjective formed by it is what? Indian. Okay? So हम लोग क्या करते हैं, कैपिटल लेटर का यूज़ बहुत तरीके से करते हैं. एक तो पहला आपको मालूम चल गया कि किसी भी सेंटेंस का पहला लेटर लिखने के लिए, दूसरा प्रॉपर नाउन के पहले और उस प्रॉपर नाउन से बने हुए एडजेक्टिव के पहले भी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जो भी एडजेक्टिव बनता है उसका फर्स्ट लेटर वी ऑलवेज राइट इन कैपिटल लेटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इंडिया इज़ अ नाउन and its adjective formed from the India is what? Indian. That is why the first letter of Indian and the India I have written in capital letter. So this was all about today's class. Thank you very much. In next class, I will teach you another new topic from English grammar.